Hey there everyone, your meteorologist Robert Spetta here with a quick update on Agaton, actually known as 1W, our first tropical storm of 2018 towards the west of the Philippines, moving away from that country right now, but still bringing some rainfall out there. Little concerned this will impact our friends there into Vietnam, but the big thing is that it is moving away from the Philippines. Still could be a big rainmaker though, basically south of Da Nang all the way down here through central Vietnam. We're going to be looking at some fairly heavy precipitation over the next several days. The news is that this is combating some wind shear from the north, a nice little surge that's been pouring towards the south here for the past several days, bringing some gusty winds even back towards northeastern Luzon, cruising across much of Luzon. That's still bringing some precipitation there, but it is going to cause this to really become lopsided with some shear as it pulls off towards the west. I still think we're going to be looking at enough convection to bring some areas about 1 to 200 millimeters of precipitation as this rolls on shore there into Vietnam. Plus, you have those mountains just inland, which could increase that chance of some heavier rainfall. But all in all, I think that this is just going to be really a big rainmaker well south of Hanoi, so some good news there, and staying south of Hainan before it teeters off by Friday into Saturday. Pulling back the picture, though, wind shear and dry air is going to keep the tropics at least somewhat in check. The coming days and weeks, actually, we look out here through Thursday into Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I see nothing on the horizon. Actually, this is by Sunday evening with GFS. There's our good friend, the ECMWF. We also have the NavGem and the CMC. Nothing all rolling through here, so at least the tropics staying somewhat calmer than what they have been for the past several weeks. 3 systems over the course of December into January. Talk about the Western Pacific not having distinct tropical season. We typically have these systems in December and January. It all depends on how the surges work towards the north, because the warm water is there, the moisture is there, but the wind shear comes and goes, and in this case, the wind shear could be interrupting this next system and really keeping things at bay over the coming days and hopefully weeks. So stay safe out there, guys. Hope the system didn't impact you too much there in the Philippines. Plenty of rainfall has been seen out there with some significant flooding at spots. So I am here at Channel 10 in Rochester. If anybody still wants to watch me, you can Google News 10 NBC. If you're out here in the Western Pacific, just see what I'm up to lately. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, stay safe out there.